Good morning. A new day begins, full of energy and positivity. Let's start our English morning together. When we wake up, we usually say good morning. Good morning, we say it when we wake up. It's the first greeting of the day. It is it's the first greeting of the day. It's the first greeting of the day. Some people drink coffee. Some people drink coffee. Others drink tea. Some people drink coffee. Others drink tea. We can say I drink coffee in the morning. Also, we can say I drink tea in the morning. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth. You can say I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. We make ablution and pray. We make ablution and pray. I pray in the morning to start my day with peace. I pray in the morning to start my day with peace. I pray in the morning to start my day with peace. Also, breakfast is very important. Breakfast is very important. I have breakfast every morning. I have breakfast every morning. Reading is a great habit. Reading is a great habit. I read a book in the morning. I read a book in the morning. Finally, we go to work, or absolutely school, university, etc. I go to work in the morning. I go to work in the morning. Right now, remember, every morning is a new chance for you. Brush your teeth, pray, eat, read, and work hard. Say good morning, smile, and start your day with English.